Did you know that your liver could be silently deteriorating without you even realizing it? This large but delicate organ is famous for its multitasking skills. As it continues to play many important roles in the body's metabolism, the liver is responsible for filtering out harmful substances, processing drugs and hormones, and converting nutrients into their active forms. Despite its impressive capabilities, the liver is far from being invincible, leaving it vulnerable to liver disease, which can ultimately lead to liver damage. The disturbing reality is that your liver could be silently struggling to carry out its essential functions without you knowing it. This is because the liver can regenerate and repair itself, enabling it to compensate for damage and hide the symptoms of disease for an extended period. By the time symptoms like jaundice or fatigue begin to manifest, the damage to the liver may already be severe. That's why in this video, we'll be revealing the 11 weird signs of liver damage that you shouldn't ignore. From pale stools to fluid retention, we'll explain how to recognize these symptoms and prevent liver failure. The weird sign holding the #1 spot on the list will definitely shock you, so make sure you stick around for that. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Itchy skin is arguably one of the most common but underrated signs of liver damage. This type of itching is known as pruritus sine materii, which means itch without a cause. While there is no visible rash, the skin can appear dry and scaly. This is due to the accumulation of substances called bile acids in the skin. These acids are produced by the liver and are normally excreted into the digestive system. When the liver is damaged, it can build up and cause inflammation of the skin, leading to pruritus. The itching is often worse at night and can be accompanied by a burning or stinging sensation. Spider naivy, aka spider angioma, is a condition where tiny red dots appear on your skin, usually on your chest or arms. They have a web-like pattern radiating from a central point, and the development of spider naivii is thought to be related to changes in blood flow that occur when the liver is damaged. Normally, the liver produces proteins that assist in regulating blood flow and preventing the dilation and twisting of blood vessels. However, when the liver is damaged, it may not produce sufficient amounts of these proteins. This deficiency can lead to the dilation and twisting of small blood vessels near the skin, resulting in the formation of spider naivii. If you're constantly feeling tired and run down, even after getting enough rest, you might be experiencing liver damage. When the liver is compromised, it may struggle to efficiently filter out toxins from the blood. This can result in a buildup of toxins in the body, contributing to various symptoms, including fatigue. Toxins can affect the brain, causing you to feel tired and sluggish. Additionally, they can disrupt the body's normal energy production processes, resulting in reduced energy levels and motivation. Liver damage can also contribute to anemia, which is a condition known for causing fatigue. Liver damage can impair the liver's ability to effectively filter out excess fluid from the body. As a result, fluid may accumulate in the abdominal cavity, causing swelling and discomfort. This buildup of fluid, known as ascites, can exert pressure on other organs, such as the lungs, making breathing difficult. This symptom can also lead to swelling in the legs and feet. If left untreated, ascites can result in serious complications, such as kidney failure and spontaneous bacterial peritonitis, or SBP, which is an infection that can develop in the fluid accumulated in the abdomen. Jaundice is another important sign of liver damage that should not be ignored. It's characterized by a yellowish discoloration of the skin, and the whites of the eyes may also turn yellow. Jaundice occurs when there is a high level of bilirubin in the blood. Bilirubin is a yellowish pigment that forms when red blood cells break down in the body. Normally, bilirubin is taken up by the liver, where it is processed and sent to the gallbladder. From there, it is secreted into the small intestine and eventually eliminated in the stool, giving the stool its characteristic brown color. However, if the liver is damaged, this process is disrupted and bilirubin levels rise. This can lead to jaundice, where the skin and eyes take on a yellowish color due to bilirubin accumulation in the bloodstream. A blockage in the bile ducts can also cause a buildup of bile in the liver, contributing to jaundice. As previously mentioned, the liver is involved in breaking down and eliminating toxins from the body. When the liver malfunctions, these toxins can accumulate, resulting in various symptoms, including gas and bloating. One of the ways toxins are removed from the body is through the digestive system, and the digestive system relies on the proper functioning of the liver to effectively break down food and absorb nutrients. But if the liver has issues, the digestive system can become sluggish and less efficient, potentially resulting in the accumulation of gas and bloating. Nausea is an uncomfortable sensation that can vary in intensity from mild to severe. It is often accompanied by other symptoms like loss of appetite, changes in taste, and abdominal pain. When the liver is damaged, it can disrupt the body's normal digestion process, leading to nausea and its associated symptoms. This disruption can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body, triggering the release of hormones that signal to the brain that something is wrong. In response, the brain sends signals to the digestive system, prompting it to slow down. This disruption in the digestive process can induce feelings of nausea and may also lead to vomiting. If you spot a bruise on your arm but can't remember bumping into anything, it could signal a risk of liver damage. Easy bruising occurs when your blood doesn't clot properly, often due to a damaged liver that doesn't produce enough clotting proteins. These proteins, called clotting factors, help to form clots when blood vessels are damaged. Low levels of these proteins cause bleeding to last longer, delaying the body's ability to stop bleeding. As a result, easy bruising and bleeding can occur, even from minor injuries. Reddened palm or palmar erythema is another important sign that manifests as hot, flushed palms that might also feel itchy, making it difficult to ignore the sensation. This condition arises from the accumulation of red blood cells in the small blood vessels of the hands, and liver damage contributes to this by causing an excessive production of red blood cells. Ordinarily, the spleen filters out surplus red blood cells, but when the liver is damaged, the spleen struggles to manage the excess. This eventually causes a buildup of red blood cells in the body, leading to redness and swelling in the hands. Urine indicating liver damage may appear amber, brown, or dark orange in color. This discoloration happens because the liver, when damaged, struggles to process bilirubin effectively. Bilirubin is usually excreted in the urine and stool, but when your liver isn't working right, it builds up in the body. This leads to a condition called hyperbilirubinemic, which can cause the urine to become darker in color. And if you pay attention, you might also notice that this dark urine is often accompanied by a strange, pungent smell. Another important, and perhaps the weirdest sign of liver damage, is that it can lead to a condition called hepatic encephalopathy. This condition is a type of brain dysfunction that's caused by an excess of toxins in the blood. The liver normally filters out these toxins, but when it's not working properly, they build up and can affect the brain. These toxins can cause an imbalance of certain chemicals in the brain, leading to confusion, forgetfulness, and even hallucination. That's why when it comes to liver health, prevention is highly important. You can take several steps to protect and nurture your liver, beginning with adopting a healthy diet. Incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein into your meals can lower your risk of liver disease. In addition to a healthy diet, it's important to avoid processed foods and excess sugar. Try to also avoid alcohol consumption and stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Frequent exercise and maintaining a healthy weight equally play important roles in liver health. And don't overlook the significance of having regular checkups with your doctor. They can help you detect any issues early. Now tell us, have you ever experienced any of these symptoms before? And do you know any other weird signs of liver damage? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, did you know that certain potent foods can help to naturally prevent colon cancer? Click on the video showing on your screen right now to discover these 4 powerful foods and the positive impact they can have on your colon health. See you there!